Welcome to the Desert Healthcare District and Foundation's Coachella Valley Data Mapping webpage. The district wanted to incorporate an interactive visualization mapping platform on our website to provide a data resource for our local community organizations. The Coachella Valley data mapping tools are reliable, up-to-date geographic data mapping platforms that organizations can freely access through dhcd.org. The tool can be utilized for nonprofits as the data can be narrowed down to cities, zip codes, and census tracts. It may help to identify gaps in services, barriers, access points in their work. At the onset of the mapping tool, you will see a red boundary that denotes the Desert Healthcare Districts and Foundation's geographic boundaries within the Coachella Valley. The map is interactive so users can zoom in and out by using the zoom bar or using the mouse scroll key or double-clicking the left or right mouse button. Pan around by clicking and dragging the map, or get information about a place by clicking on the map. To start, specify a location. With the location search bar located on the top left-hand side of the mapping tool, you can quickly find and position the map to different locations. You can search for locations by an address, a type of geography such as a zip code, city, county, or state, or use the drop-down menu on the left to select or search for census tracts, block groups, congressional districts, school districts, state legislative boundaries, or metro areas. The location search bar is used to navigate the map to a specific location or add a location to a table. Like most online mapping tools, you can search locations by an address or geography type. The default way to use a location bar is to enter an address or geography name. In this case, we'll be utilizing the city of Indio as our example. When an address or location is located, an icon will appear on the map to identify the address. After selecting the location, the map will position itself at the location entered with a border surrounding the geography. So after selecting our location, now it's time to select data layer. To find a data layer, we will click on the orange button titled New Map on the top left-hand side of the mapping tool. Upon clicking it, we're going to have different options in regards to the data layers that we can select from. In this example, we're going to select demographics. Within demographics, we're going to have 4 different options. We're going to select population density as one of our data layers. Once we have selected the data layer, the title for the data layer will appear on top of the map. By clicking the More Information About icon, a comprehensive description of the data will be provided. When a data layer is added, the legend will display information about the current data layer, including the year, variable, geography type, and the value range for each color on the map. In addition to the data layers, the mapping platform allows you to add various data points to review additional data components together. We would do that by once again clicking the New Map icon on the top left of the mapping tool. In this case, we're going to select Health, Health Facilities, Community Health Centers. So now we have a data layer on top of data points denoting the locations of the federally qualified health centers within the selected area, in this case, the city of Indio. By clicking on the data points, we're also able to get additional information about the specific data points that has been selected. When you have a map with your location, data layer, and data points, you can select Print Map in the upper right-hand corner to save the map and share with others as a visualization tool. Once you have printed your original map, you can start a new search with a new location and a new data layer and or data points by simply selecting and removing the areas. Now that would clear the map, and now we can start a new search with a new location, new data layers, and data points. This concludes our presentation and demonstrations of the Desert Healthcare District Coachella Valley data mapping tool. The district hopes that local community organizations will benefit with the new mapping platform. This is a powerful tool for using data to study location-specific socioeconomic issues and service area gaps, utilize data to provide insights and incorporate data-driven approaches to decision-making, an opportunity to explore data-related evolving needs of local communities, amplify and expedite grant applications by demonstrating community need with simple maps and data sets. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@dhcd.org. Thank you.